Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'll be coloring this lace closure wig. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you examples of the inspiration that I had for this particular wig. As you can see, it has a very light front paneling and a very dark back. So let's begin. Okay, so just going to give you a 360 spin. This is a graduated haircut on this particular wig. And I've sectioned the front from the very back. And I'm going to start in the front. I'm going to start lightening the hair. So I'm just going to take section by section and lighten the front. And then I'm going to go in the back and I'm going to darken the back so that I can get my two-tone coloring. So I'm just going to start here and I'll come back with further commentary as far as anything else I feel I should add to the video. Okay, so now I'm working my way on the sides. I'm just doing maybe two, maybe three slices of the weaves or tracks, and then I'm gonna thoroughly coat those sections and apply my lightener as much as possible to make sure it's very saturated and I don't miss any spots. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm working on the hair in between the lightener. As you can see here, apparently I left some weaving sections in between here, so now I'm just going to darken that, I guess because I wanted like a more blended effect on the sides, and I'm going to do that in the back. And as you can see, I just pulled the track down a little bit further to be able to get the little area just before the lightener begins. So that's what you see me doing here, and we're going to continue this until we finish this particular side, and we're going to work through the back doing the same thing. Well, actually in the back it doesn't have any foils, so we're just going to apply it throughout. So just continue watching and you can see where I'm going with all of this. Okay, as we can see here, I'm starting off at the top. I'm applying it. It's a lace at the top, and so I'm applying it with the comb so I won't stain the lace, because I'm not going to just apply it, slap it on, and then have like a black lace. And that's supposed to mimic like somebody's scalp, and it's like black as opposed to like, you know, whatever skin tone that they actually have or what have you. So yeah, so I'm just combing it through at the roots, and eventually I'm just going to work that out through the ends, and then I'm going to work my way through the back. So just continue watching and see where I'm going. Okay, so here's a 360 of what the hair is looking like after I applied everything and everything is processing. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like after I've shampooed the hair. I don't believe I've conditioned at this point, but you can see where the lightness and the darkness begins. Right here, I'm just going in with a plum hair coloring because I just wanted that particular color to be plumish, plum color. Okay, so in a few, we're going to see what this all looks like, so stay tuned. Okay, so right here is the finished look. As you can see, I have my graduation in the back, nice and shiny glossy black with the plum front. And here is what the lace looks like. As you can see, it hasn't been stained very much. So just give me a 360 of the cap, and that completes my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.